Okay, all of you, good morning, my dear students. So, Polytechnic second year lo fourth semester mathematics. Already I have to completed one class. So, this is a second class in our mathematics syllabus. So, already we have to learn one concept, that is, if the quadratic equation it has two roots, those two roots are real and distinct roots అయినప్పుడు మనము ఫస్ట్ కేస్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని దాని మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ వీడియోలో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. దట్ ఈస్ క్లాస్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ టుడే సెకండ్ క్లాస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్ క్లాస్. సో ఇక్కడ మనము కేస్ 2 కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాము. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం కేస్ 2 మీద ఉన్నటువంటి కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మనము కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాం. అసలు కేస్ 2 అంటే ఏంటి? సరే చూడండి, కేస్ 2. సో కేస్ 2లో if the roots are real and equal roots, real and equal roots, then that time the general solution so general solution is y is equal to a plus bx into e to the power of mx. This is the case 2. So what about the ab? This ab2 is called a constant coefficients. So already you have to learn the homogeneous equation with constant coefficients అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి a comma b be the constant coefficients. సో సెకండ్ మోడల్లో కేస్ 2లో మనము ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే వర్కింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తున్నారో వాటితో పాటుగా ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్రాబ్లం రాస్తున్నాను, దాన్ని కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం మనము. సో కండిషన్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ y is equal to a plus bx into e to the power of mx. So now we will start the problem. So look here given one problem, that is d square y by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. So this is the second order differential equations. So here y with respect of y derivative with respect of x, 2 times derivative of x to the y. Look here, this is y, 1 time derivative of y with respect to x. So this is not defined. Right, so solve this problem. First of all, how to change this differential equation into symbolic form. So symbolic form, the given equation is in symbolic form. Symbolic form of the equation, right? So here 2 times the derivative, that means d square y minus 5 into dy plus 6y equal to 0. So here common is y, that's why I will be write here d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to 0. So this is the differential equation in the symbolic form, that is f of d into y equal to 0. This is the first step. Next we will go to another step, that is the auxiliary equation of the quadratic equation, f of m equal to 0. Now we will be change the equation into auxiliary equation, that is auxiliary equation. So it was changed into m, that means m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. This is f of m equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Now we will be find the values of m. So this is the second degree, that means quadratic equation kabatti it has two roots. So here m has two roots. Now we will be find the m values. We will find the m values. Okay, how to understand this problem? Okay, right. So this is the auxiliary equation. It has two roots. Now we will find the roots of m. So here constant value is 6, and what about the coefficient of m square means 1. 6 into 1 is 6. What is the cofactors of 6 and that means 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. Either adding or subtract, that value is the coefficient of m value. So here minus 5. So here also we will be take here minus 3 minus 2. So that means minus 5. Now we will be change the equation like this. M square minus 3m minus 2m plus 6 equal to 0. So here m common, m minus 3, again minus 2 common, m minus 3 equal to 0. So here m minus 3 is common, m minus 2 equal to 0. There are two values of m. One is either m minus 3 equal to 0 or m minus 2 equal to 0. If m minus 3 equal to 0, therefore m is equal to 3. Here m minus 2 equal to 0, therefore m is equal to 2. So here the two roots are distinct. Two roots are distinct. So then the term the general solution is general solution is y is equal to a to the power of m1x plus b into e to the power of m to x. So therefore y is equal to a into e to the power of m1 means, so we will be take the small value 2x plus b into the power of dx. So this is our final answer. Okay, right. We have to complete one problem. So next we will go to another problem. So that is second problem. We will take here d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square plus 6 into dy by dx plus 9y equal to 0. So solve this problem. Given equation is in symbolic form. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒకటి ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈ యొక్క నోటేషన్లో ఉంటుందంటే అలా ఉండదమ్మా. సో మనకి డీలలో కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, డైరెక్ట్గా సింబాలిక్ ఫామ్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి మనం దాన్ని సింబాలిక్ ఫామ్లోకి మార్చుకుంటున్నాము. సో d square y plus 6d into y plus 9y equal to 0. Here common is y. So it means d square plus 6d plus 9 into y equal to 0. This is in the form of f of d into y equal to 0. Now it will be changed into auxiliary equation. So what is the auxiliary equation? F of m equal to 0. F of m into y equal to 0. So now it will be changed into m. That means m square plus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. It has two roots of m. So now we will find the values of m. Right. So here 9 into 1 is 9. What is the cofactors of 9? 3 3 is 9. So here constant m coefficient is 6. Here 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we'll be right here m square plus 3m plus again 3m plus 9 equal to 0. So here common is m plus 3 again plus 3 common here. M plus 3 equal to 0. Here there are two values of m. Here common value is m plus 3 into remaining is m plus 3 equal to 0. So there are two values, either m plus 3 equal to 0 or again m plus 3 equal to 0. In case m plus 3 equal to 0, therefore m is equal to minus 3. In case m plus 3 equal to 0, there is therefore m is equal to minus 3. Here the m values are same. That means second case is the two roots are real and the roots are equal. Then the time the general solution. So general solution is y is equal to a plus bx e to the power of mx. So our final answer is y is equal to a plus bx e to the power of, what is the m value here? Minus 3x. This is our final answer. So kabatti there are two problems we have to solve. One is the first case, this is the second case. So now we will be practicing two problems here. One is 9 into d square will be dx square minus 30 dy by dx plus 25 into y equal to 0. So here also a product of 25 into 9, that middle values are comparing equal to 30. So these problems are also given in symbolic form. We don't change in symbolic form of this equation. So this is already given, d square minus 10d plus 25 into y equal to 0. So ఈ టూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు హోంవర్క్ కింద ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుని వర్కింగ్ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సెకండ్ కేస్ కూడా మనము కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ క్లాస్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ మనము క్లాస్ 3లో కేస్ 3 అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.